Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create and open workbooks in Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial today, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So assuming you've just opened up Excel, you can go and create a new workbook in many ways. You can just select the blank workbook option underneath new. Also, you can select new on the left panel here. So you just go ahead and select new and then blank workbook. And then that's one way you can do it. If you're already working within Excel, you could just select File and then go ahead and select the new option and select blank workbook. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.